Welcome to the asana sequence of managing and preventing varicose veins. We shall get started by performing Tadasana, taking distance between the feet, interlacing the fingers together, raising the arms up over the head with the palms facing up, heels off the mat. Give a nice long stretch to the body. Exhaling slowly, bring your palms down, heels down. Repeating this 2 more times. Inhaling, stretch up. Exhaling, down. Inhaling, stretch up. Exhaling, down. Now we shall practice Utkatasana or yogic squats. Bring your arms at shoulder level and gently squat down. We'll repeat this for 4 times. Each time you squat down, remember to try and bring your thighs as closer to the calves as possible. To progress in this practice, we shall lift our heels off the mat and keep our arms at shoulder level and gently further squat down. We'll repeat this for 4 times. We shall now practice 2 rounds of Surya namaskar. Please stand at the top end of your mat with your palms joined in front of your chest in namaste and feet together. Inhaling, stretch your arms up, arch back. Exhaling, fold forward. Bend your knees slightly, bring your palms in line with the toes. Inhaling, take the left leg back. Retaining your breath, take the right leg back into plank. Exhaling, knees, chest and chin on the mat into Ashtanga. Inhaling, roll the head up, chest up into Cobra. Exhaling, push your hips up, heels down, toes on the mat into downward dog position. Inhaling, take the left leg forward in between the palms. Exhaling, take the right leg forward into forward bend. Inhaling, stretch your arms up, arch back. Exhaling, palms together. Inhale, arms up. Exhaling, fold forward. Inhaling, take the right leg back. Retaining your breath, take the left leg back into plank position. Exhaling, knees, chest and chin on the mat into Ashtanga. Inhaling, roll the head up, chest up into Cobra. Exhaling, push your hips up, heels down into downward dog. Inhaling, take the right leg forward in between the palms. Exhaling, take the left leg forward into forward bend. Keep your knees straight here. Inhaling, stretch your arms up, arch back. Exhaling, palms together and palms down. We shall now transition into supine position. Gently lie down on your mat on the back. Keep your feet together, chin slightly tucked in, palms beside the body with the palms facing down. We shall begin with single leg raises or Ekpad Uttanapadasana. Beginning with the left leg. Inhaling, bring the left leg up. Let the toes be pointed towards your face. Keep the knees straight. Keep breathing. Exhaling, bring the left leg down. Inhaling, bring the right leg up. Exhaling, bring the leg down. Second round, inhaling, bring the left leg up. Keep breathing. Exhaling, bring the leg down. Inhaling, bring the right leg up. Exhaling, bring the leg down. Now we shall practice double leg raises or Dvipad Uttanapadasana. Inhaling, bring both legs up into 90 degrees position. Let the toes be pointed towards your face and keep your knees straight. Hold the position and keep breathing. Exhaling, slowly bring the legs down. Once more, inhaling, bring the legs up. Keep breathing while you hold the legs. Exhaling, bring the legs down and relax. Now we shall practice legs up the wall pose or viparita karani. Bring your hips as closer to the wall as possible and gently slide your legs up on the wall and rest your upper body on the mat. Keep your arms on either sides of the body in a relaxed manner with the palms facing up. Keep your eyes closed and stay in this relaxed position for at least 2 minutes up to 5 minutes. This pose is highly recommended for anybody suffering with varicose veins as it immediately helps in relieving leg cramps and swelling in the feet. Remember to keep breathing while you hold the position. After some time, start tapping the heels on the wall to further increase the blood circulation in the legs. To add a prop in this pose, you can also use a bolster or a thin pillow under your buttocks. You can also fold your arms up over the head and grab the elbows and stay in this relaxed position for a little more time. Now we shall be practicing Sarvangasana or shoulder stand. From supine position, gently bring your legs up to 90 degrees and while exhaling, lift the hips off the mat and place your palms on your lower back near the glutes and bring your body in one straight line, putting all of your weight on the shoulders and the upper arms slightly on the elbows as well. Hold this inverted position for up to a minute if possible. Please keep breathing normally while you hold the position. Sarvangasana improves the blood circulation throughout the body, especially in the lower region of the body where varicose veins is primarily observed. To release the Sarvangasana, gently lower down your back vertebrae by vertebrae with the help of your palms and then slowly bring your legs down and come back into a supine position. We shall now transition into a tabletop position where we are on all our fours, on our palms and knees. Getting into a downward dog position by pushing the hips off the mat up towards the ceiling. Bring your body in an inverted V shape. This position is also known as Adhomukha svanasana, which gives a nice stretch to the posterior side of the body, the back, the hamstrings, the calves. Hamstrings and calves are the two major regions where varicose veins is observed. Releasing the downward dog, gently come up into tabletop position once more for Marjariasana or cat pose. From the tabletop position, inhaling, arch your back. Exhaling, hunch your back. Once more, inhaling, arch your back. Exhaling, hunch your back. And then gently slide back into downward dog position. Keep lengthening your back for some more time, experiencing a nice stretch on the posterior side of your body. Remember to keep breathing naturally. Slowly release the downward dog position and come into a sitting position. We shall practice Titaliasana or butterfly pose. Join the soles of your feet and grab the toes firmly with both the palms. Bring the heels as closer to the body as possible and start flapping your thighs. Remember to keep your spine straight and shoulders relaxed in this position. Keep flapping your thighs rapidly for some more time. Maintain your awareness towards the nice stretch you experience in the inner thighs. Stop flapping the thighs, release the legs, and now outstretch the legs in front of the body for Ardha paschimottanasana. Begin by folding the left leg in knee, bringing the left sole closer to the right inner thigh. Inhaling, bring the arms up over the head, lengthen the spine, and while exhaling, gently fold forward and grab the right foot with both the palms. With every exhalation, try and suck the belly in and bring the abdomen and chest as closer to the right thigh as possible. Try to maintain your awareness towards the compression in the front side of the body, a nice stretch on the posterior side of the body. To release the position, inhaling, raise your arms, head and spine up, and exhaling slowly, release your arms and switch to the right leg now. Fold the right leg in knee, bring the right sole closer to the left inner thigh. Inhaling, raise the arms up, and exhaling, gently fold forward from the hips, grabbing the left big toe or the left foot with both the palms. Maintain this position with normal breathing for some more time. To release the position, inhaling, bring the arms up. Exhaling slowly, bring the arms down. Release the right leg and relax. Step by step, transition into a standing position for Padahastasana or forward bend. Stand erect with your feet together. Inhaling, raise your arms up, and exhaling, gently fold forward while keeping your knees straight. Bring your palms in line with the toes. Grab both the toes with the respective thumbs or fingers. Progress towards grabbing your ankles and gently pull your upper body further down, bringing your forehead closer to the knees as much as possible. You can also grab the elbows and stay in this position for a little more time, maintaining your awareness towards the nice stretch you experience on the lower body, on the back side of the lower body. To release the position, inhaling, raise your arms, head and spine up, and exhaling slowly, release your arms back beside the body. We shall now practice Baddhakonasana or wall butterfly pose. Bring your legs on the wall and bring your hips as closer to the wall as possible, and bring your soles of the feet closer to each other. Press your palms on the thighs to increase the stretch on the inner thighs. Stay in this restorative position for a little while. And then outstretch the legs and keep them straight on the wall into Upavishta konasana, or also known as straddle pose on the wall. This increases the range of movement of the hips. You can also take more distance between the legs if you feel comfortable. Keep breathing naturally while you hold this position. Release the position by bringing the legs together and gently slide back on the mat into supine position. End the practice with a final Shavasana. Spread your legs apart. Keep your arms away from the body with the palms facing the ceiling. Keep your eyes gently closed and chin slightly tucked in. Remain in Shavasana for up to a minute or so, suggesting the body to relax itself, suggesting the breath to normalize. Release the Shavasana and gently turn to one side and step by step come up into a sitting position. Thank you very much for watching. Namaste.